Hel- Hello everyone, and welcome to this awesome video. And in this video I will be teaching us how to design our advert banners using font 500. This is the font 500 app. So let's get started. Now I'm going to let's get started. All right, now I'm going to replicate an image that I have already done, an advert that I have already done. Let me show you guys. So where is it? Font 500. Now I'm going to replicate this. Okay, so now let's get back to the main tutorial. So now the first thing will be to insert an image. So go to open photo. When we go to open photo, we can now choose any one that we want. So let me go here. So this is the image I want to use, the one of Mr. Johnson. Now the image is already there, but then when we look at the background, we see that the background is white. We can decide to change the background if we want, but because of this video I said I want to replicate a design I made, so I'm just going to leave it that way now. So we can just try and navigate the image to where we want it to be. Okay, I think it's okay this way. All right, so the caption we want to write by the left hand side is, do you like my waist? So once we've certified that this is the image we want to use and we are okay with this background, we can now click the correct button. So once it have done that, it acclimatizes to the two together, so we can decide to increase the image size or reduce it. So let's just read this way. So we are done with that. You can click the correct button. So now the next thing would be to input our text. Now this is where it gets interesting. So I'm going to type in something right away. Sorry, I don't know why this is not coming up. Okay, do you like my waist? So once it's done that, we click done. It's in white. Now to change the color, we can choose either of these. These ones below, we can choose either of them, but let me quickly choose the one I do make use of. Okay, I think this red. Then now if you don't like this style, you can come here to change the style, maybe to this, do you like my waist? But so let me quickly use the style that I am used to, which is okay, okay, I think it's this. Is this the no, sorry, yes, something like this. Now if you look at this, do you like my waist, you can say okay, you like the way it is arranged, or you can go to edit. You can decide to just edit it anyhow you want, but then I'll leave it to the former. I'll leave it in the former way. Do you like my waist? then I can reduce the size to the way I want. Now there's another design we can add to this. Can we see this button, like this direction button at the right top corner? You can click it and begin to design. Now when I click on this yellow uh, color, it brings a yellow design to, like a shadow, a yellow shadow to what I've already written. Now if I want to take it off, I can just make it white. Now if I click on this A, we see it has turned to black. Now if I now go and choose the same color, we will see it's no more like a shadow. This one is much more bolder. It's like an attachment. But then if I remove, let me go and use the white. Now it has gone off. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use this. So this how we see, do you like my waist? Now once we've certified that okay, we are okay with this writing and we want to write more, we click on catchy. Then we can now write more words. Do you like my waist? If yes, okay, do you like my waist? Then okay, let me write, you need, okay, you need, okay, fine. Let's say now and I want to insert an image under this you need. Now one thing you also need to understand is this: the moment I click on catchy and I try to write another word and I click done, it's going to take the former design of the previous one I've used. If you see, I didn't try to design anything for this you need, it just came out like that. I hope you understand. Now let's try to add an image of a product. Now to now add an image, it's now a little bit tricky. Remember when I was about opening this designing this stuff, the first thing I did was to add an image. So the only thing we can do now to add an image, we will have to save this entire thing. I'll show you. Now let's click on done. Let's click on this. It showed save JPEG 75, JPEG 100, PNG. We click on PNG because we are not yet done with what we are doing. Now we'll go to home. We will now take the image that we want to also insert. Now the image should be under messenger. Okay, no, sorry, the I think it should be under eraser because I had to do some editing to it. So now we already have an image. Now we will now go and use the one we just designed and we will use it as the background. Okay, so here we go. So you can now click on done. I hope you all understand this. So here it is, do you like my waist? You need. So now we've inserted the picture. Then if we now want to write words under, we just click this done as we did the other time. Okay, you need the you need this slimming cream, maybe something like this. But this one will now have to design. Okay, let's design it. All right, you can say you want to use this, and for the font you can decide to say we want to go with this. So it's just as simple as that, and we can reduce it. So if you walk around with this, you will be able to like design lots of stuff. So you can now click this, you can go ahead and click this and click on JPEG. So it's already saved already. So it's as simple as that. So now let's try and check the image out. It will be under font 500. Here it is. So it's as simple as that. Designing is very simple. So thank you guys, and I hope you understand